was welded right here before, see? So this is the mag end that showed the damage on the head on top. Someone's repaired it. I put a new crank in it and everything, so, but it is, the bearings kind of sound kind of raggedy, don't they? Rod up like that, Joel. You set that thing down. You set that right on the ground here. Yeah, and grab the two rods here. Okay, go and roll it. It looks like it's still turning pretty good, but anyway. All right, put another one in that baby. Real messy here. So, anyways, that's it. Had a repair before. The mag end blew. This time it's the PTO end.